Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll write a concise C# program that accepts a list of integers and tells you how many integers are missing to make the list consecutive between its minimum and maximum. This is a simple but useful exercise in sorting, iteration, and careful off-by-one thinking. I'll show a robust implementation with input checks and explain the math behind counting the gaps. Let's jump in. The core idea: if you sort the list and walk through adjacent elements, each pair, A, B, contributes B minus A minus 1 missing numbers, 0 if adjacent or duplicate. Summing those differences yields the total missing numbers. We'll handle null or empty input defensively and return 0 for a single element list. Here's the implementation. We sort the array, then sum gaps computed as next. Minus current minus 1. Sorting ensures we only compare each adjacent pair once. We return 0 early for arrays smaller than 2 elements. The code then throws 4 null input, so no problems are apparent in calling code. Sorting dominates runtime. After that, a single linear scan computes all gaps. The math is simple. Between two sorted numbers, a and b, there are b minus a minus 1 integers strictly between them. Add positives only to skip duplicates or adjacent values. This table walks through examples. The approach naturally handles duplicates. For an empty or null input, we prefer explicit behavior such as null throws, empty array returns 0. If you want a different policy such as null is greater than 0 or null is 0, I can adjust the implementation. This small routine is practical. Databases often have to auto-increment keys with gaps, such as logs timestamps can miss entries, and many algorithms require consecutive sequences. Counting missing elements quickly tells you how much repair or interpolation is needed. To recap, sort, compute gaps, sum them. Simple and reliable. If you want, you can change them to provide a version that preserves the original array, where it uses a copy, or implement a linear time approach using a boolean bitmap when the range is small. And finally, add unit tests for edge cases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.